We are going to use a method called stop motion to create these really magical videos that make it look like Elf is moving all on his own, or her own. I've got the female version. First things first is you're going to download a free stop motion video app. This is our app and it's called Lapse, and it's available on iOS or Android. Before we dive into the app, I'm just going to share two basic things with you on the principles of stop motion creation. So first things first, all you have to know is all stop motion is a sequence of photos stitched together. So what we're going to be doing is we'll be taking a photo of Elf, moving him a little, take another photo, move a little, so on and so forth. And when you play it back, it looks like he's moving on his own once you speed up the video. The second principle is to not move the phone while you're shooting, because if you're moving the phone, then everything's going to be moving as you take it versus just Elf. If you have a tripod for your phone, amazing. If you don't and you want to get one, they're available on Amazon. You can probably get it overnight if you have Prime. If not, we have a couple different hacks that you can use if you don't have a tripod. The hack is pretty simple, and it's just to find something to lean your phone against while you're shooting. So you can use a mug, a cup, a book, anything really, as long as the phone is upright and not moving throughout the duration of your shoot. If you want to shoot directly down, a hack for this is